So if you want to change your nickname on Facebook, make sure you watch this video to the end as I will show you every step. So first thing you want to do is open up Facebook and make sure you have the latest version on your App Store or Google Play Store. Once you have the latest version or update, just go to your profile on the menu. Once you're here at the menu, click on the settings. Now it's going to bring you to this Meta Account Center. What you want to do is just stay on the top and click on Meta Account Center. Once you're here, it's going to bring you to this where you can customize your profile, like your password and security and other personal details. But for the sake of this video, you want to change your nickname, so follow these steps. First thing you want to do is just click on your profile, then just click on your profile again. Then you can click on name or username. For username, you can just choose anything you want. For example, I'm going to just type in something random. And you want to make sure that your username isn't taken, or just like enter your name or something. But if you want to edit your name, just go to your name and then just click on change order of name.